Hello friends, welcome to our Photoshop tips and tricks. Click Layer option and select the background layer. Go to View to Rulers to click. Click and drag on ruler to center on plate. Select on first layer. Close Layer option. Ctrl+T and flower center point to drag to plate center. Little rotate the flower. Click Enter on keyboard. Ctrl+Alt+Shift+T. More times same process. Look at the image. Click Layer option and unhide the first layer. Hold Alt plus click Add Layer Mask. Close Layer option. Select on Brush tool. White and black color to set. Select the brush. Apply the brush. Click Layer option and select the image. Close Layer option. Go to Image to Adjustment to Hue or Saturation to click. Click the hand symbol. Click the color. Saturation center point to drag on left side. Lightness center point to drag on left side. Check Preview. Click on OK button. Look at the image. How to create realistic reflection in Photoshop. First select on Magic Wand tool. Select on white area. Go to Select to Inverse to click. Select on Rectangular Mark tool. Right-click to Layer via Copy to click. Ctrl+T and right-click to flip vertical to click. Click to drag down side. Click on Enter. Go to Filter to Distort to Wave to click. Generators to 201. Note that all points. Type to triangle. Select on Repeat Edge Pixels. Click on OK. Go to Filter to Blur to Motion Blur to click. Angle 90. Distance 20 pixels. Click on OK. Look at the image. Go to Window to Layers to click. Adjustment to Gradient to click. Click on Gradient Color. Collabs on Purples. Select the color. Click on OK button. Adjustment to Gradient to click. Gradient Color to click. Select on Basics Color. Style to change on Radial to click. Scale 100%. Click on OK button. Go to Filter to Pixelated to Color Halftone to click. Convert to Smart Object to click. Maximum Radius on 20. All Channel to 0. Click on OK button. Normal to change on Divide to click. Look at the image. Select on Rectangular Mark tool. Select the window. Go to Select to, Modify to, Feather to click. Radius on 15 pixels. Click on OK button. Select on Content Aware Move tool. Mode, Extend to select. Structure on 7. Color on 10. Click to drag and hold Shift. Click on Enter. Ctrl D. Look at the image. Thank you for watching videos.